LifeMatrix aims to deliver next-generation implants that can grow and regenerate with our patients. My name is Max Emmert. I'm a cardiac surgeon and a biomedical engineer and the founding CEO of LifeMatrix Technologies AG, a startup of the University of Zurich. If we look into cardiovascular implants, they all have significant limitations as they cannot grow, regenerate, or remodel with the patient. They also have a permanent risk for infection and for risk of thrombosis, for instance. And it is unacceptable, I would say, that nowadays, as we have so many technologies out there, a child gets to this world and needs to be operated once again and again and again. This is very bothersome, not only for the child, but also for the parents. We want to deliver next-generation implants that can overcome these issues and thereby enhance the quality of life and reduce the complications in our patients. So we are currently a team of 12, which is a mix of physicians, scientists, and engineers, as well as business people, to really drive this project forward at the multiple fronts. The WIS Center is a translational accelerator from the University of Zurich and the ETH Zurich that provides projects such as ours not only the financial resources but also the infrastructure to bring our technology into clinical translation and into the market. This material, these grafts that we have developed can basically grow and regenerate with the animal and really become native-like tissue. We can design the valve, we can model the outcome on the computer, then we do the animal experiments, and then we see that our model exactly fits the outcome. That was probably also from a scientific standpoint the most striking validation for this technology. At the moment, we are preparing several clinical trials. We are in very advanced discussions with the authorities, also the ethical commission. So we very much foresee that in the next, let's say, 24 months, we will be able to apply this to the first patients. When it comes to cost, we constantly try also as to our manufacturing process to achieve prices that are very comparable to standard prosthesis, but while providing the significant advantage of remodeling and regeneration in our product. Of course, we would be very pleased given the high reputation this prize has had over the last 25 years, and we are honored basically to be among the finalists. However, we will enjoy the show and the best should win, as in sports.